In this video, we'll see how we can set sale price for products in WooCommerce. Currently, you can see product price is $4.99, but sale price is $1.99. So we'll see how we can do it. Let's go. Now we want to display sale price for the products in WooCommerce. Like suppose I open my product. Here you can see it is showing only $45, but I want to share the sale price and MRP. Like it's $45, but I'm selling it for $30 and giving you $15 discount, and that will be my sale price. So we'll see how we can add sale price in products in WooCommerce, and we will see for both simple and variable products. That's the important. So here, what we need to do, go on admin dashboard. Here you need to open the product. 9 product, open any product. This is my product. Here you can see you can add new product to check. There is 2 options, regular price and sale price. Here you can write your sale price. Suppose I will increase my regular price 50 and my sale price is 45. Even I can schedule this discount for particular time, like it will be from this time and it will end by this time. If you want to set that, you can set that also. Okay. Like here, you see, it will end by sale price will be end by this date. If you want to show that, you can also show that. As of now, we only want to show the sale price. Here you can see my product is for $50, but I am selling it for $45 and I am giving discount. So that's why you can display the sale price for simple product. Now we will see it for variable product. Like in variable product, you don't fit direct option. For that, what you need to do? Here, this is my variable product. You can see in my variation, there are 3 variation, large, medium, small. So this is my variable product. Let's open it. Here you can see large, medium, small. So we'll see how we can add sale price. For that, what you need to do, go on variation, open your variation. Here you can see there's option of regular price, sale price. Now, if you want to update regular price, sale price on bulk, you can set from here, bulk action, set regular price, set sale price, increase regular price, decrease regular price. Everything you can do from here. From here, you can set the sale price as per your requirement. It's totally upon you for each variation. So that's how you can easily set regular price and sale price for your products in WooCommerce. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel.